If I'm lying, I'm crying.
Hey, look. Bulldozers.
Yep, them's just like the ones I used to fight.
What?
That's right. I was a famous bulldozer fighter in Spain. They called me El Materdor.
Hitting the highway, a couple of friends